guys, so I've been told that my recipe are a little bit too much elaborated sometimes.
Yes, I work 60 hours a week and I have 11 kids. I don't have time to make your fancy recipe. I don't have 2 hours to cook in the kitchen.
Alright guys, I got you covered. So this week we are doing Pasta Carbonara Authentica. You will see this recipe is so delicious, so simple, few ingredients, took about 15 minutes to do, and you're gonna be very well rewarded at the end. Alright, and for those who stay till the end, I have a funny extra for you. And if you are Italian, you don't want to see that. Okay, for the ingredient for this recipe, we need freshly ground black pepper, kosher salt, dry pasta, eggs, pancetta, Parmigiano Reggiano, Pecorino Romano, and water for the pasta. I don't know why, but there's some egg white in my pasta water. So the first thing you want to do is to salt that pasta water as salty as the ocean, because we are doing a very delicious dish and we want our pasta to taste something. When you go shopping at the grocery store and choosing for your pasta, it's very important to pick the right one. We're doing a dish that will be not very expensive, so you can spend $1 or $2 more on pasta. Like you see here, this pasta is very rugged. This will help the sauce to go on the pasta and hold very well on it. A good trick is to check on the package. It will say something alla bronzo. So that's the way it has made. It passed into a dye of bronze instead of Teflon. That make the rubbish texture of the pasta. And of course, don't break your pasta to fit into your pot. You will upset all of Italy. So just swirl your pasta into it until it gets all in the pot and follow the package instruction. This one says 12 minuti. Okay, while our pasta are cooking, we will cook the meat, which it's pancetta. And if you can find guanciale, this will be more authentic, but it's hard to find, so pancetta is okay, or bacon will do the job also. So for this recipe, we need 2 ounces of Parmigiano Reggiano, and as well 2 ounces of Pecorino Romano. If you mix those 2 cheese together, it will bring a better balance into the carbonara. Alright, now it's time to work on the egg mixture. I like to put 2 whole eggs and 2 egg yolks. So adding more yolks to the eggs will make a more rich and creamy texture to your carbonara sauce. The pancetta is ready, and how I like to have my pancetta is to be crispy outside but soft inside. Now we can just take it back from the fire, let it rest, and work on that egg mixture. So into these eggs goes all the 4 ounces of cheese. It appears thick at first, but when it will hit the heat of the pasta, you'll see it will be all creamy and beautiful. And some freshly ground black pepper. Don't put salt in this. There's already a lot of salt in the pancetta. Alright, so everything is prepped now. We are waiting on the pasta. They are 3 minutes shy to be al dente. See how fast that was? Do you want to know a good trick on how to know? Oh.
That is a good trick.
Yeah, that's a good trick also. But another good one will be take the pasta and you throw it on the wall. No, don't do that. It's gonna taste it like a normal person. I like when you have a little bit of a crunch al dente, and it's almost ready. Okay, pasta is ready now. We will reserve that pasta water. Now put your pasta into the pancetta. It's okay if there's a little bit of water in this. Mix up with the fat of the pancetta. As you can see, I have no fire on it. It's just the residual heat of the pasta that will cook the eggs and cheese. So here, you don't want to go on your phone or at the toilet. You want to be very quick, otherwise we will have scrambled eggs. And we can add a little bit of water if the texture is too thick. Just a little bit, it will be more creamy and it will emulsify. Oh yeah. Alright, time to serve this. And let's add some nice pancetta bites and a little bit more sauce. And some more freshly ground black pepper. And of course, Parmigiano Reggiano. It's beautiful. Alright, here we have our delicious, hopefully delicious carbonara. So let's have a taste of this. È delicioso! Alright, bonus! If you're planning to go in Italy anytime soon, here's a list of things not to do while you're there. First, let's cook some gluten-free made from rice and quinoa. Take those pasta and break it to fit the pot. It's said to cook the pasta for 11 to 13 minutes, so let's cook them to 20 minutes. I really like my pasta soft. Let's do some wine tasting while we are waiting for pasta to be overcooked. Smell the cork. It smells very corky. Pour enough wine to fill the glass. Oh, this wine is too warm. Put some ice in it. It will cool the wine. And of course, forget to swirl your pasta. They will all stick together like this and it's gonna be beautiful. Alright, it's been 25 minutes now. I'm pretty sure those are very well cooked. We will strain it, and we don't need to reserve the pasta water because we didn't put salt in it. Rinse your pasta. A little bit of canola oil in spray. Make sure you cut all those pasta in very little pieces because it will be easier to eat with a spoon. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as we had fun filming it. Please leave a like to the channel. This makes a huge difference for us. We are a small channel and we need your support. So, see you in the next episode.